What's up everyone and welcome back to you on the Moonchart channel. I hope you are doing very well, and today we're going to talk about a possible super bullish scenario. I mean, you already saw that on my YouTube channel, that was a possible scenario before, but it's still valid, and I'm going to show you what was a possible flat here. So you're gonna tell me what the fuck is this flat. But yeah, I'm going to talk about this, okay? So if you enjoy, guys and girls, the content, don't forget to subscribe to the channel first and to literally smash the like button. This is really important for me and also for the YouTube algorithm. Also, don't forget to join the Discord server, okay? This is important, I'm really active on it. And yeah, so I'm going to turn invisible wave right now, okay? So that's the super bullish scenario, okay? So this is clearly possible because yes, as you know, it for me we are in a wave 3 and not in a wave 5 here. Why? You have to check my video before, to understand that. Because of the RSI, we just broke the wave to bottom on the RSI, and in my opinion this is not possible, and wave before would not match with a possible wave 5. So maybe I'm completely wrong, okay, but this is my scenario and this is what I expect on Bitcoin, okay. So there is no any financial advice, of course, this is just my opinion as I told you. And yeah, so that's not my main scenario, okay, but I just want to show you this because this is clearly possible to do something like that, targets match, and it will explain some wave we did here, okay. For example, this big ABC here or WXY, you don't know, something like that. Maybe not exactly here, but somewhere, and more this ABC, we have on the last wave with a perfect 100% touch and dump, okay, like ABC with an ending here, and that would explain possibly the flat we got here, okay. So I'm going to change the size here, maybe to turn in more visible this one. So that will be a strand flat, I agree, but this is clearly possible that we did something like that, okay. If we are super bullish, that's really possible, okay. So the wave, the B wave will retrace more than 261 point, and that's clearly possible if we are super bullish, as I told you. And if you check as a C wave, so that will not be valid anymore, sorry, if we break the A top, okay, that will not be valid, okay, if we break this. We didn't for now, so that's pretty cool. And if you check at the target we reach it on this wave 3, on this C wave, sorry, here, the maximum target is a 161 point. Guess what we guess where we stopped at? On the 161 point. So a bit lower, but we didn't touch it to 100%. That's clearly valid. That's clearly valid, okay. So that's a possible flat we got here, ABC, and that will explain the waves, and that will not be a wave 5 in that case, and a B wave here, and that will explain the triple wave we can see just right there, okay. So this is clearly possible, and in that case that will be a wave 1 here, wave 2 that will be higher than the wave 1 because we are super bullish, and it already happened before on Bitcoin, so that's just clearly possible to do something like that, okay. And in that case I can tell you that we're about to rocket, but literally rocket on Bitcoin on the wave 3 here, okay. So the bigger one, wave 1, 2, 3, the bigger wave 3 here cannot be predicted yet, okay. We have to be inside this wave. I'm not going to say that this is a scenario we are in, okay. This is possible because in the wave currently we have here to the upside, we have possibly 5 waves here, okay, but it will match also with a possible ABC, okay, to go lower after this, like an ABC, okay, A, B, maybe a bit higher, we're gonna see that, and C to go lower. In that case that will not be valid anymore, but we will do a bigger wave 2, okay, here. I mean, you just have to check my previous video on Bitcoin for this, but it will just be a bigger wave 2, okay. That's also possible. And the thing is, if we have 5 waves here, we can get 5 waves, for example, for a zigzag, so A, B, C, so that's a bit the problem here, and get 5 waves here, retracement 5 waves, okay, so that will be a zigzag here, A, B, C, okay, so that's a bit the problem here we have. But yeah, that's a really possible scenario here, and in that case we can expect a price on the wave 3 to the 261 point, okay, because we did a really small retracement. Most common target, keep in mind that is the 161 point just right there, okay, so it will bring us to 64k around there. But yeah, with the small retracement we did like that, we can expect a price a bit higher, so on the 261.8, maybe on the 423.6 due to the retracement we did here. So after this we can expect a bigger retracement, of course, on the wave 4, because we did a smaller one on the wave 2, okay, so maybe good template, perfect. So 50 or 61.8, so for now we're gonna stay with a 50% retracement here. And then for the wave 5, most common target 100%, that will be a truncated Elliott wave 5. This is not really common to do, okay? It's still possible, of course. The next target will be the 161 point, and the next one will be the 223.6. Okay, so that will be, we're gonna say the 223.6 because this is super bullish. In that case, that will be the wave 3 top. Okay, we still have to be inside these waves to determine the wave 3 top and the wave 5 here. Okay, the possible stops. So then the wave 4 retracement. So that will be a really small retracement because we did a huge one on the wave 2 here. Okay. So that will be a 38.2, maybe 23.6 only, okay? So we're gonna say 38.2, and after this, so I'm going to play this on the chart right now with you. So, bottom here, top here, oops. Alright, oh no, this is not well placed here. Alright, perfect, got it almost. So I mean that will not match with the extension tool, you know, as you can see that the wave 3 will be clearly higher here and the wave 5 will not match with this. So we cannot predict yet the wave 5, okay, we cannot predict yet this wave 5 here. But if we do something, if we are super bullish, I can tell you that we're going maybe to do a big wave 5, and that will be the wave 3 tops, and the wave 4, and then the wave 5. Okay, so we can expect some really high prices, and that's why when you invest in crypto, you have to buy step by step. You know, never buy 100% directly. So that's why there is, for example, on the Discord server, some green square. Sorry, for example, if we are in the wave 2 here, that will be wave 1, 2. 3 top here, and then the wave 4, sorry, 3 top here, 4, and then the wave 5. So that will be a big wave 1, 2. That's why, for example, if we are super bullish, we start on the 38.2, that's the first green square we have. Then we have the 50 and the 61.8 retracement, okay, because we have 73% chance to stop between these two levels, okay. So maybe we are just in an ABC, okay, ABC, we are going more down, so that's why we have some green square, and you have to buy step by step and never 100% directly, okay. So yeah, the wave 5 cannot be predicted yet, so I'm going just to remove to move this here, okay. The wave 3 top, I'm going to move it on the right here. But yeah, that's the wave expected if we are, for now, if we are in the super bullish scenario, okay. That will be super bullish, and this is clearly possible, and that will explain the strange wave we got here, because yes, that can happen, you know. A flat like that normally is a 123 retracement on the B wave, but that's clearly possible that we do something like that, okay. And the target on the C wave match for now, so that's pretty cool. But yeah, I don't know if I have my we're going to check smaller waves, you know, we did here. I don't know if I have the wall waves here. So bull, we're gonna remove this. That will be the ABC. Yeah, there is so much wave on the chart, on the thing here, but bullish. Alright, where it is. It's just right there. Okay, so normally that will be normally the scenario, you know, the current scenario I have personally. But there is some other scenario, and as a trader, you have to be ready for every possible move, okay? To the upside, to the downside, extra. Normally, that will be the way 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, you know, with a perfect 261.8 touch and dump, okay? So that's the problem here. There is so much possible scenarios that match with Bitcoin, and yeah, the small wave for now match with also possible scenarios. So that's why it's a bit, you know, it's not really good. So I think all of the waves are here. I'm going to go on the 15 minutes here, okay. The wave that will match here, okay, with a possible impulsive Elliott wave, so wave to retracement after this and just after this rocket, or maybe just not a retracement because we are super bullish and we do some really small retracement here. But the possible wave here will be if I can, okay, I didn't took the wave 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So wave 1, 2 with this triangle here, A, B, C, D, E. Okay, so the bottom here and not on the low here. I mean, except if we did a 1, 2 here and the 1, A, B, C, D, E. Okay, with the E. I mean, I'm going to draw that because you're like, what the fuck he's saying right now? You know, if we did the wave 2 here, that will be another wave 1, 2. You know, wave 1, 2 with an A, B, C, D, E inside. So A, B, C, D, E with a small, I mean, that will be a really strange triangle, but that's possible. And the other triangle, in case we're not in this wave 1, 2, will be the wave 2, oops, here, okay, like that, with another triangle here. So A, B, oops, C, D, and E. Okay, almost you understood me. Like that. So that will be the possible waves here. In that case, in case we are in this like that. So wave 1, 2. As you can see, the target we reach it for now is a 161.8. So that the most common target for a wave 3. Okay, so I would say more a wave 3 here top than the retracement of the wave 4, and then the wave 5. Okay, so that's clearly possible that we do something, that we did something like that, because first of all we have I mean, here we have an ending, here we have an ending too on a smaller time frame, so we have 5 waves here, and now we are maybe about to down. Okay, but the problem is it matched with a possible ABC. Okay, zigzag, because a zigzag can retrace maximum 85.4. okay, so if you drag it from the top here to the bottom, we did here, okay, as you can see, 85.4. So that will match with a possible zigzag here. I don't find really 5 waves extra on the first wave, because this is a super trend we got here, but yeah, that's possible, you know. And if you check at the F, that will be the ABC, you know, A here, B here, okay, and the C here, okay. Still have to check the target we reach it for now on the C wave here, okay, 2. Yeah, as you can see, we are on the 100%, and that's the target. You know, keep in mind that we can go to the 161.8, because that's also a target for this. The wave 5 maybe just a wave 1, 2 for now, okay, and we are now in the wave 3 to go high on this, okay. That's a possible move, okay, that we are going to do, and it's not because we are moving up here that we are just rocketing to the upside. The ABC here are gonna be not valid anymore if we touch this 200%. Okay, if we touch this, that was not an ABC, but we are maybe more moving up, you know, moving up, and made the super bullish scenario was maybe the scenario here, the good one, okay. So that would be the possible waves here we got, okay. Moreover this, we got possibly, I mean, the waves we did here are more like WXYXZ. If you have a look at this, for example, WX with a retracement, perfect 100% touch, boons, okay, that will be an ABC with some flat extra. And if you have a look at here, we did also a 100% touch on this one, so except it's a high here, we did a flat here, but I don't really think so. So yeah, that's a bit trend wave match with possible scenarios. Okay, so we're gonna see which one plays out on Bitcoin. Okay, maybe that's just an ABC, you know, the big ABC we're going to dump and go really low after this, but I don't think so. So moreover this, if you check at the bigger time frame, for example, we have this power of control, so that's a big support level we have on this. Okay, I didn't took my fixed range. If you have a look at this, you know that the power of control is a really good support, you know, support level. So that's a possible wave 2 if we are just in this wave, you know, not in the super bullish wave, you know, that will be an ABC, okay. Like that, I'm going to draw you that, you know, A wave here, first wave, then the B retracement, okay, B retracement with this zigzag here, this big zigzag here, and then the C to go more down, okay. That's also the possible scenario here. If we do that, we have a massive support level around there, okay, around 33k, okay, 33, 34, okay. If you have a look at the retracement, it's really okay, you know, it's about 73, 78%, okay, retracement, so that's pretty cool. That's a possible wave 2 we're going to do, okay. Let's try to find now if that will match with a possible ABC, if we're in this ABC, okay, around there, and that will, by the way, be safety, I mean, no, not safety TP, but take profit, that will be not I mean, that will be the maximum target, okay. We can reach the invalidation of this ABC, okay. If we go here, as you can see, the 161 point of this wave is just exactly around the point of control, so this is clearly possible that we are in this wave and not in a super bullish scenario, and we are going to go to this price, okay. If you watched my card analysis on my previous video, you know, we have almost the same scenario on this one, you know, wave to the upside with a super bullish one with a 38.2 retracement, a flat that will match with the chart we have, okay, but that could be a WXY. So here it will be more an ABC, okay, to the downside. But yeah, it's almost the same, you know, on Cardano here. So I think that's all, you know. So if you have any question, as always, feel free to ask. This is a pleasure for me to answer you. This is important that you understand everything here. And yeah, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, to smash the like button. This is really important for me and also for the YouTube algorithm, okay. Don't forget also to join the Discord server. This is really important if you want to get some analysis, etc. I don't post a lot because I'm really I try out the chart on Bitcoin because this is important. We are doing some scalp, you know, with VIPs on the Discord servers, and big longs and big shorts, you know, because we are more trading the smaller waves, you know, we are more trading this due to the possible scenarios, you know. So we are going, for example, to open a big long here because we are pumping like crazy. We can dump, okay, then we have to be prepared for possible scenarios, and that will not be a really good long to open here. I mean, we, by the way, we broken the channel here. We got a channel right there, you know, a range here. So from the top around there, more here, top here, and bottom here, okay. And we just back tested this this range here yesterday night, if I remember good. By the way, yeah, I had the date used extra because I don't predict this. I predict the price, okay. I mean, I try to predict. Maybe I'm completely wrong. But that was at night, if I remember good. Yeah, 6:05 a.m. So I was not wake up. But anyway, and keep in mind, guys and girls, this is not because we break a range like that and we backtest it that we're going to the moon, okay. We are just maybe in this B retracement with this wave 5 here and just moving to the downside after this, okay. Keep in mind this is really important. For now, as you can see, the ABC we have here match with the targets lower, okay. We have with the power of control, with a big support level we have. So maybe we're going to see a price to 38k, something like that, okay. Anyway, I hope you really enjoyed this Bitcoin update. That was really quick, but yeah, now I mean, this what we can read on the chart right now, okay. And maybe we're just on a big ABC, okay, like that, like for example on the top here, A, here B and C to go more down, but I don't really think so, you know. Wave don't really match with this for me. But anyway, so we will see how it plays out in the following days. I will keep you informed, of course. And yeah, as I said, don't forget to smash the like button. This is really important. Don't forget to join the Discord server. And yeah, take care of you and see you next time.